The evolution of the forged wire stripper made by KNIPEX. The first and only wire stripper to cut screws from the front or back without threading. This revolutionary design enables it to lap the competition, saving you time and effort. Its shear cutting blades cut through solid wire, stranded wire, NMB cable, MC cable, and battery cable with ease. Features locating ridges to help you find the correct stripping hole fast, no guesswork. Wide, flat jaws made for twisting wires. Wire looping groove to get the perfect wire loop to attach to screws. Serrated jaws for gripping fittings. The lock can be easily operated left or right-handed. The KNIPEX forged wire stripper, a cut above all the rest. KNIPEX, proven quality.